Grand Rising, everybody. So yesterday I started my compost bin. Something I've been wanting to do, just never got all the tools I wanted for it. I still wanted something a little different, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna use what I have, because at the end of the day, what did our ancestors do? They used what they had. So let me show y'all what my compost bin looks like. Okay, so this is the compost bin. There's straw, there's dirt, there's food scraps, there's cardboard in here, old plants, pine cone sticks, just whatever I could throw in there. I put some earthworms in there as well. So now we're just gonna feed the compost bin with just some old fruit and stuff that, not gonna use. Might as well just feed it to your compost bin. So let's do that now. I just put everything in the bag to bring out here. Got my little shovel. I'm gonna move some of this. And literally here's some old green beans. And if you want to feed your compost bin, I was told that it's good to do fruits and vegetables, beans, stuff like that. You don't want to put no meat in there. Here's some old Brussels sprouts that my nail is stuck in. Yeah, we're about to. Sorry, y'all. I'm my own camera person. I don't have a tripod right now. Okay, I'm just going to show y'all what it looks like. So, yeah, I got Brussels sprouts, green beans, a green apple, and a green bell pepper that was starting to go bad. So I figured, why throw it away when we can use it for compost? So I'm just going to mix around, get a good cover on it. And I'll probably add more dirt in a few days. There is green bell pepper seeds in here, so who knows? Might even grow a green bell pepper plant. But yeah, this is me feeding my compost bin. It's simple. Dirt, newspaper, cardboard, old organic material from your yard. Could be an old flowers that you didn't take good care of, whatever. But as you can see, easy, simple, done.